Hello, coffee lovers! Today, we are going to talk about an incredible portable espresso maker that's perfect for those who need their caffeine fix on the go. Whether you're traveling, at work, or simply in your kitchen, the WACACO Nanopresso portable espresso maker is here to deliver rich, flavorful espresso shots anytime, anywhere. So, let's dive into its features, performance, and why coffee enthusiasts around the world love it. WACACO Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker. A comprehensive review in today's fast-paced world, where coffee lovers often don't have time to visit cafes. The WACACO Nanopresso Portable Espresso Maker comes as a fantastic solution. This premium-grade manual coffee maker is capable of delivering cafe-quality espresso wherever you are. Let's explore why this product is so popular and why you should consider adding it to your collection. Key features 1. 18 bar pressure. The standout feature of the Nanopresso is its powerful 18 bar pressure. Despite being manually operated, it's designed to brew high-quality espresso shots without the need for electricity or batteries. This pressure ensures deep and smooth coffee flavors comparable to a cafe espresso. 2. Portable and travel-friendly. Its compact design and lightweight build make it highly portable. It doesn't require much space or electrical connections. Just add ground coffee, pour water, and pump manually. Your favorite espresso shot is ready in no time. 3. User-friendly design. The Nanopresso is incredibly easy to use. Simply load the correct amount of coffee powder, fill the water tank with hot water, and pump manually. Its ease of use turns your daily coffee ritual into a fun and enjoyable experience. 4. Durable and long-lasting. Built from sturdy plastic and stainless steel, the Nanopresso is designed for durability. It promises long-lasting service, consistently providing you with high-quality espresso shots. How to use using the Nanopresso is simple. First, take your favorite ground coffee and set it in the filter basket. Then, pour hot water into the water tank and close the body. Start pumping slowly with your hand. In just moments, you'll see a smooth flow of espresso into your cup. Professional quality coffee anywhere compared to most portable coffee makers. The Nanopresso stands out with its 18 bar pressure, which delivers rich and full-flavored espresso. It's perfect for any coffee lover, whether you need a quick morning pick-me-up or a refreshing espresso shot during a busy day. Customer reviews, many users have described the Nanopresso as their go-to product for making coffee. One user mentioned, "I was skeptical at first, but after using it, I am hooked. The 18 bar pressure makes such a difference. It's just like the espresso I get from my favorite coffee shop." Another said, "The portability is unmatched. I take it with me everywhere, from camping trips to the office, and it never disappoints." Expert opinions coffee enthusiasts believe that the Nanopresso has set a new standard in portable coffee making. Despite being manually operated, it produces espresso shots with a taste quality that rivals many electric machines. If you love cafe-quality espresso, but want the flexibility to enjoy it anywhere, the Nanopresso is a must-have. Thanks for watching! If you are someone who loves espresso, but doesn't always have the time to head to a coffee shop, the WACACO Nanopresso is a game changer. Portable, easy to use, and with professional-grade results. This little machine could be the coffee maker you've been searching for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coffee reviews. Until next time, happy brewing!
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.